Hello, this is Jerry Gerritsen, Tabea Law. Today I want to talk briefly about sponsorship. So in order for a beneficiary or a person that wants to come to this country, either on a non-immigrant visa or on an immigrant visa, they need to have a sponsor. And generally the sponsor well, your sponsor is the person that's asking the immigration officials to issue you a visa. And so it could be a spouse, it could be a parent or a child, it could be your employer. So it just depends what the situation is. If you're coming over, let's just say, on a immigrant visa, so you're looking to get your green card, your legal permanent resident, then you are either as family based. If it's family based, then it's going to be a spouse, husband, wife, parent, child. Or if it's extended family, then you're dealing with priority groups, preference groups. But it's a person that's doing it. Now, sometimes you are allowed to, there are some visas or exceptions to a rule where you can actually sponsor yourself. And so that gets into a little bit more detail. But generally, it's a third person or another person that sponsors you. If it's a business visa and you're coming here for a limited time, sometimes that limited time can turn into a permanent visa, but that just on a couple different circumstances. But coming in so let's just say you're coming in for an E visa, you're looking to come here to work, or B1 visa, then what you're looking at there is the employer is your sponsor. And so what they do is, so for the businesses, you're looking at the I-140. For family based, you're looking at the I-130. Those are the two applications that are used for the sponsors for attaining the visa. And basically what the I-130 and the I-140 is doing is it is explaining in detail or describing in detail what the relationship is between the sponsor and the beneficiary as the person that's asking the immigration officials to allow you to get a visa, and the beneficiary is the party that's benefiting, the one that is actually getting the green card or the status to come into the country. And so what the I-130 for family-based and the I-140 for business does is it explains that relationship. It gives in detail the names, addresses, and information, in a lot more information about the parties, their relationship. And so that's kind of a brief synopsis of the sponsorship. All right. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you guys next time.